Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12, quadrilaterals. Okay. Now see, Nana. First of all, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a closed figure bounded by four line segments. Four line segments is called a quadrilateral. Okay, a closed figure bounded by four line segments is called a quadrilateral. Now see here, this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. How many line segments are there? There are four line segments. It is a closed figure bounded by four line segments. So AB is one line segment, BC, CD and DA. These four are line segments. Now the four line segments it has, you can write a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has four line segments. What are they? One is AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, and it has four angles. What are they? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. They are angle A comma, angle B comma, angle C and angle D, and it has four vertices. What are they? What are the vertices of this quadrilateral? A, B, C, D. Okay, na? So in the same manner, you try to observe here the adjacent sides. Now you just observe the side DA and the side AB. These two are adjacent sides because of the two sides having a common point as what, Nana? A. That's why the side DA, the side AB, these two sides are adjacent. In the same manner, side AB and side BC, these two also adjacent because of these two sides are having common point as B, and side BC and side CD, these two are adjacent, common point as C. Side CD and side DA, these two are adjacent sides, common point as D. Okay, na? Now in the same manner, opposite sides and non-adjacent sides, what are they? DA is opposite to BC and the side AB is opposite to CD. Is it clear? DA is opposite to CB and AB is opposite to DC. Opposite angles, angle A is opposite to angle C, these two are opposite angles, and angle D is opposite to angle B. Okay, na? And adjacent angles also, what are they? Angle A, angle B, these two are adjacent, and angle B, angle C, these two are adjacent angles, angle C, angle D, these two are adjacent angles, and angle D, angle A, these two are adjacent angles. Is it clear? Now angle sum property of a quadrilateral. What name? Theorem. the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. Is it clear, students? What is the theorem? Important theorem. The sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. This is angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Now see, I'm going to prove this theorem. Everyone consider okay, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Now see here, this is one of the diagonal BD. Okay, DB is what? No, this is one of the diagonal. Now everyone observe carefully. This is angle A, this is angle C. Now I am taking here, this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. You try to observe clearly. The diagonal DB divides the quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles. The diagonal DB divides a quadrilateral into how many triangles? Two triangles. Now in triangle ADB, angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees. This is angles sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Already we learnt this property in chapter 5, triangle and its properties. Angle sum property of a triangle, what? The sum of three angles in a triangle is equals to the sum of the measure of three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So now observe in triangle ADB, angle A, angle 1, angle 4. The sum of these three angles, angle 1, angle 4, it is equals to 180 degrees. Similarly, ante atlane now in triangle BDC, now try to observe this one. Angle C plus angle 2 plus angle 3, is equals to 180 degrees. So this is also same angle sum property of a triangle. So this is 1 and this is 2. Adding 1 and 2. Okay na? So ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నా, ఫస్ట్ వన్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్. దెన్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెన్. LHS side, what is the LHS side part? Angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 4 plus, what is the RHS part? The RHS, second equation LHS part, angle C plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to, the RHS part is 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. Okay na? So I just added equation 1 and equation 2, LHS part and RHS part. So angle A means angle A only, plus angle C plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 angle 2 becomes what? ikkadunna angle 1, angle 2. These two are becomes what? Angle 1, angle 2 means that is angle D, plus angle 3 and angle 4. These two are what nano? Angle 3, angle 4 means what? That is angle B, is equals to 180 plus 180, that is 360. Now you write in proper order. Therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to, that is 360 degrees. So this is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is equals to, the sum of the measure of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so this is the proof of the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Thank you.